like a nanosecond.
Oh, okay now, Rob.
Wow!
You did well there, mate. Oh, I'm fucked.
Oh, bastard.
So that was your pre-fight check?
I did. No, wasn't a very long lay done.
You did well. Good.
The wrong way. Or correcting the wrong way. Look at it.
Oh, I'm fucked. Arse. Made a nice dent.
Roll left, it went right. Roll right, it went left.
You plug the battery back in, just...
Yeah. Or it wasn't correcting the wrong way. I flipped the gyro off and it still did the same. That's right.
Opposites, innit?
It's opposite. Yeah. That's what it was.
Can you get fuselages for them?
Yeah, I think so.
I bet that's a brand new motor in there as well, isn't it?
Everything's brand new with batteries at it as well.
My word, that is
Yes.
I'm going to go and check my oil.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure I checked that.
Turn on the stabilisation, that's right. Stick with me, same view, the correction.
No, the correction was correct. It's just the stick direction. That's right.
That's correct,
Yeah.
That's wrong.
Should let it fly itself.
Why did I rush?
Was that up late last night doing it?
Yeah.
You're going to have to see if you can get a fuselage for it, or you might
I
get
got-
it back together.
Give me 10 minutes with some glue
It'll get a bit heavier.
That's tape.
and a bit of tape. And the mule flew again,
We got the mule flying again, yes.
with no nose on it.
Zero nose.
The electronics are alright. That's what happens when the ailerons are reversed. I knew they were reversed.
You
but I
actually,
can't fly
was
it.
it last year, innit? You landed one without, it was asked about backwards, didn't you?
I think I would have learnt the hard way.
Bring it upside down next time.
Did the prop survive?
Motor shaft bent.
Yeah, so looking for the...
Yeah, I was going to say, look in the hole in the floor.
Yeah.
Hard, wasn't it?
And the mount as well. God. Oh, Mrs. would be happy.
You just find it away.
Yeah.
See all the neighbours, all the curtains.
Undercarriage is alright.
Oh, I didn't use that.
Yeah.
Give you some bits back.
Oh, so it'd fly nice as well.
It's all wing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is completely wing.
Should get it down again.